Hello, today I will show you how to make another character profile in 7 Days to Die. To do so, simply go and open Options and go into Player Profile. As you can see, here is our first character that we made. You can choose from the many different presets of character, but if none of them suit your fancy, simply go and create a character. You must name them. I will name him or her Test. Go create. We can go and choose, for example, male. We can toggle this as active. We can choose race. I will look it as native. And why are we locking this? Because you can at all times press randomize, and as you can see, only the unlocked statistics sections presets will be randomized. As you can see, there are many different presets you can choose from. I will try to quickly make something that doesn't look awful. Yeah, that seems decent enough. You can change also change the view to see how the character will look like. And when you are done, simply go and press apply. As you can see, here is your character. You can always go back and edit this character. You can also delete them. You will have to confirm and delete. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.